Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner van Austin there, and today I'm going to do a rant on little Einsteins. Enjoy the video. Little Einsteins. What? More like big idiots? Oh my gosh. This show sucks so hard. And this show involves 4 Einstein idiots, and they like to go on failure adventures together. Leo is stupid. June is an idiot. Annie is a spoiled brat. And Quincy, well, no one could ever give a crap about him. The plots of the show are pointless. The animations are horrible. The theme song is super annoying. And the theme song is also annoying in my ears. The music is super annoying. And do you know who loves this show? But I don't know who loves this show. But do you know who hates this show? Me, Michael the Young Guy, Christmas yes, sunny day no, and Charlie Brown, Lily, and Caillou yes, bongo no. They all hate that show with the burning passion. Yep, so they all hate that show with the burning passion. So little Einstein stinks. And so does Breadwinners. Dogsby, my favorite, the Shiny Show character, is better than the little Einsteins. End of rant. If you have any requests about my rants, check on the comments below. This is me, on my channel,